Okay, what you see in front of you there, gentlemen, is a set of handcuffs. I'm sure you all know what those are. Now, with that said, the handcuff is actually a very, very, very simple lock. It is basically a warded padlock, and this little thing here called the single strand, that is the hasp of the padlock, and there is a little ratchet system inside there, and literally all that simple little key does is pushes the ratchet down out of the way so that the strand can move around. Now, handcuffs are undeniably very cool. Lots of guys collect these things, so you'll see collections of these all over the place. But because the system inside there is so incredibly simple, you don't pick these things, they're just bypassed. You bypass that little mechanism there, and again, while they're fun, they're generally not considered part of lock sport proper.